आंध्र प्रदेश के वजीर आला नारा चंद्रबाबू नायडू ने AG&P की पहली कुदरती गैस पाइपलाइन का इफ्तिताह किया। उन्होंने तिरुपति के तिरुचानूर में घर घर गैस सप्लाई की स्कीम का आगाज किया। चंद्रबाबू नायडू ने स्कीम शुरू करने के लिए घरों में जाकर अफराद खाना से दोस्ताना माहौल में बात की। उन्होंने सिलेंडर से गैस और पाइपलाइन से गैस मिलने में फर्क के बारे में उन लोगों से दरियाफ्त किया। इसके बाद उन्होंने खुद चूल्हा जलाया और चाय बनाई। इनका कहना था कि बिला तातुल गैस की फराहमी खुश आइन बात है। इसके बाद उन्होंने इन्वायरमेंट फ्रेंडली गाड़ियों को झंडी दिखाकर रवाना किया। इस मौके पर सीएम चंद्रबाबू नायडू ने यहां मुनक़िदा इजलास से खिताब किया और कहा कि वो रियासत में माहौल दोस्त मंसूबों को फरोग देंगे। आंध्र प्रदेश को ग्रीन एनर्जी का मरकज बनाएंगे।
Godavari Basin is producing nearly 40% of gas, natural gas. But Andhra Pradesh is not using. Gas is produced in Andhra. Gas is used in Maharashtra or Gujarat, other states of the country. We are very keen to use this natural gas in Andhra Pradesh. For that, we will extend all the cooperation, those who are interested to work in this direction. During 2014 and 19, I planned at that time city gas distribution in the state. 5 companies, Bhagyanagar Gas, Godavari Gas, Mega Gas, Indian Oil Corporation, AG&P Pratham. These are all 5 companies I have sanctioned at that time to connect nearly 99 lakh families in Andhra Pradesh, all cities. This is nearly 987 CNG stations with an investment of 11,120 crores investment at that time. But unfortunately, for the last 5 years, they stopped all these things, and also 8 rupees at that time, 8% natural gas taxation. They enhanced 24%, which is not at all viable, though they stopped and then they went to other states. Now, as soon as I became Chief Minister, immediately I reduced to 5%, which is more competitive in other states. That is the first decision I have taken. Recently, I laid the foundation in Sri City. Within 5 months, they are able to connect nearly 51 companies. They are prepared to connect nearly 250 companies in the near future, either 2-3 months' time. That is the speed they have executed. I really appreciate them. This is one area all of us has to understand now. There is a lot of changes globally. Clean energy, green energy is the order of the day. Earlier, if you see cooking, firewood or coal, sometimes all vehicles transportation with petrol and diesel, heavy pollution, and also industries, coal, some industries, diesel, all these things, even agriculture, diesel operations, now power operations, even domestic, sometimes there is no power, automatically we are shifting to generators which is used from petrol or diesel like that. Now, world is moving towards very, very natural gas or clean energy and green energy. Recently, I have announced green energy policy. We are attracting nearly 10 lakh crores and generating employment nearly 7.5 lakh employment. That is our target we are working.